You've heard the stories. People turning small investments into multi-million-dollar empires, living their dream lifestyles, and retiring early. Real estate is often seen as the key to building long-term wealth. But here's the thing. Diving into real estate without the right knowledge can be a huge risk. What if you make the wrong decision? What if that dream investment turns into a nightmare? What if you don't even know where to start? Well, today we're going to answer all of that. I'm about to break down the 5 things you need to know before investing in real estate, so you can make the right decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take the leap into real estate with confidence and clarity. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I help young adults like you make smarter financial decisions and unlock the path to true wealth. If you're tired of watching others build their fortune in real estate, it's time to start your journey today. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a step toward financial freedom. 1. The real estate dream. But are you ready? Before we dive into the 5 essential things you need to know, let's talk about why real estate is so appealing. You've seen it, those million-dollar listings on Instagram, or your friends posting their new rental properties online. Real estate offers potential for both cash flow and long-term appreciation. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. Getting started isn't as simple as scrolling through Zillow. You need knowledge, strategy, and, most importantly, planning. 2. 5 things you need to know before investing in real estate. 1. Understand your investment strategy. The first thing you need to know is that not all real estate investments are created equal. There are so many strategies to choose from. Will you go for rental properties, fix and flips, or commercial real estate? Each has its pros and cons, and it's crucial to choose the right strategy for your financial goals. For example, rental properties provide steady cash flow but require long-term management. Fix and flips, on the other hand, can offer quick profits, but they come with higher risks and require more expertise. Hold up, is this starting to sound complicated? Well, it is. But don't worry, we'll break it down so you don't end up buying a property that drains your bank account. Take a step back and ask yourself, what kind of investor do you want to be? Are you in it for the long haul or for quick profits? 2. Know the local market. Like the back of your hand. The second thing you need to know is that real estate is all about location. Location, location. You can't just pick any property and expect it to generate income or appreciate in value. You need to understand the local market. Is the area experiencing growth? Are there good schools, transportation, and amenities nearby? What about the crime rate? You need to know these factors because they affect your property's rental potential, resale value, and overall profitability. Here's a scary thought. Buying in a market that's declining. A property that doesn't increase in value, or worse, loses value. That's a nightmare no investor wants to face. So, how do you get the data? Use tools like Zillow, Redfin, or even consult with local real estate agents who can provide insights. Knowledge is power, and this is one of the best ways to minimize risk. 3. The importance of financing and leverage. The third thing you must understand is how financing works. Real estate is an expensive game, and most people can't afford to buy property with all cash. This is where financing comes in. But financing isn't just about securing a loan. It's about how you use leverage to maximize your returns. Leverage means using other people's money, like a bank loan, to make an investment. If you use it correctly, you can multiply your potential returns. I know it sounds like we're diving deep into the financial jargon, but trust me, this is the part that separates the amateurs from the pros. Understanding how to leverage money properly could be the difference between a good investment and a great one. You can get creative with your financing, whether through conventional loans, hard money loans, or even partnerships. Just be sure to factor in the interest rates, monthly payments, and the overall cost of borrowing. 4. Prepare for unexpected expenses. The fourth thing you absolutely need to know is that real estate comes with unexpected expenses. Trust me, your budget should include more than just the down payment and mortgage payments. You'll need to account for property taxes, maintenance, insurance, and possibly even renovations. And let's not forget about those surprise expenses, like a leaky roof or a broken furnace. Here's the rule: always have a financial cushion to cover unexpected costs. A good rule of thumb is to set aside about 1 to 2% of the property's value each year for maintenance. You don't want to be caught off guard when the roof starts leaking or the plumbing needs an overhaul. You know that feeling when you just fixed one thing and then something else breaks? Yeah, it's real. You'll get used to it. But at least you'll be financially prepared, right? 5. Patience is key. Real estate is a long-term play. And finally, the 5th thing you need to understand is that real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment. Even the most successful real estate investors will tell you it takes time. Whether you're flipping houses, renting out properties, or developing commercial spaces, it's going to take time for your investment to grow. You need to be prepared for the long haul, and you need to be patient. And here's the kicker: if you don't have patience, you might find yourself selling your properties too soon and missing out on massive profits. But here's the secret: there are ways to accelerate your journey to wealth, and I'll reveal that secret in just a moment. 3. The secret to successful real estate investing. So now that we've covered the basics, what's the secret to making real estate work for you? It's about strategic networking, leveraging mentors, and continuous learning. The most successful real estate investors didn't get there by doing it alone. They found mentors, connected with other investors, and learned from their mistakes. And the good news is, you can start building this network right now. Go to local meetups, join online communities, and start learning from others who've already walked the path you want to take. Call to action and inspiration. Real estate can absolutely be your ticket to financial freedom, but only if you're prepared. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better your decisions will be. Take the time to learn, plan, and build your network. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to take control of your financial future, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our future content. Your journey to wealth begins with the right decisions, so make them count. Ready to start your real estate journey? Drop a comment below with your questions, and let's talk strategy. Remember, real estate isn't just about properties, it's about your future. Take the first step today.